what do you do when you have this many blackberries on hand? I say make a tart. Hi, I'm Christine Waltermeyer, and if you're new here, I want to welcome you to my kitchen. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to find out about new recipe videos as they come out here every week on Christine's Natural Kitchen. Okay, without further ado, let me show you how to make a delicious blackberry tart. So first I'm going to start out by making the tart shell. What I have here is 1 stick of butter. You can use plant-based butter or whatever type of butter you like. This is cold butter and it's been cubed, and that's 1 stick of it. I'm adding 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You could use gluten-free if you like. Next I'm adding 1/4 cup of raw cane sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to grind this all up together before adding ice water. So now it'll form little crumbly bits like that. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of cold ice water. And now just pulse it again. You can see that it gathered together into a nice dough. So I've taken my dough and turned it onto a lightly floured board, and I'm not going to handle it too much, otherwise it might become tough. But I just dusted it with a little flour, and then I'm just going to roll it out into a thin, flat circle. Now I've got my tart pan. I'm going to lightly spray it with a little bit of cooking oil. Now we're going to very carefully unfold our pastry dough. And we're just going to carefully work it into the edges. And now we're going to trim the edges. And if you'd like, you can save this excess dough to roll out and cut little hearts or shapes to put on the top. It could look really cute. So now I'm going to make the blackberry pie filling. I've got 1/2 cup of raw cane sugar, 1 pinch of sea salt, 1/2 cup of flour, Bake the tart on a rimmed baking sheet at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 more minutes. So now that our tart is out of the oven, we're going to let it cool completely, and we're going to dust it with a little bit of powdered sugar before slicing and serving. Wasn't that fun? I hope this video inspired you to try making a blackberry tart. You'll be so glad you did when you take that first bite. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. When you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, you'll find out about new cooking videos when they come out every week. Thanks for watching and happy baking!